Suppress scientific notation in Numpy when creating array from nested list. I have a nested Python list that looks like the following. I then import Numpy and set print options to suppress equals true when I create an array. I can't for the life of me suppress scientific notation. If I create a simple Numpy array directly, I have no problem and it prints as follows. Does anyone know what my problem is?
This is what you need. Here is the documentation.
Python force suppress all exponential notation when printing Numpy arrays, wrangle text justification, rounding and print options. What follows is an explanation for what is going on. Scroll to bottom for code demos. Passing parameter suppress equals true to function set underscore print options works only for numbers that fit in the default 8-character space allotted to it, like this. However, if you pass in a number greater than 8 characters wide, exponential notation is imposed again, like this. Numpy has a choice between chopping your number in half, thus misrepresenting it, or forcing exponential notation. It chooses the latter. Here comes set underscore print options formatter equals ... to the rescue to specify options for printing and rounding. Tell set underscore print options to just print a bare float. We force suppress the exponential notation, but it is not rounded or justified, so specify extra formatting options. The drawback for force suppressing all exponential notation in arrays is that if your array gets a huge float value near infinity in it, and you print it, you're going to get blasted in the face with a page full of numbers. Full example demo 1. Prints. Full example demo 2. prints. Notice that rounding is consistent at 2 units precision, and exponential notation is suppressed in both the very large e plus x and very small ex ranges.
For 1D and 2D arrays you can use np.savage to print using a specific format string. Your options with numpy.set_printOptions or numpy.array2string in v1.3 are pretty clunky and limited. For example, no way to suppress scientific notation for large numbers. It looks like this will change with future versions, with numpy.set_printOptions formatter equals and numpy.array2string style equals.
You could write a function that converts a scientific notation to regular, something like